The knowledge I have of plants has come from many sources, from the plants themselves, from my training as a scientist, and from an intuitive affinity for the traditional knowledge of my Potawatomi heritage. Long before I went to university to learn their scientific names, I regarded plants as my teachers. In college, the two perspectives on the life of plants, subject and object, spirit and matter, tangled like the two cords around my neck. The way I was taught plant science pushed my traditional knowledge of plants to the margins. Writing this book has been a process of reclaiming that understanding, of giving it its rightful place. Our stories from the oldest days tell about the time when all beings shared a common language. Thrushes, trees, mosses, and humans. But that language has been long forgotten. So we learn each other's stories by looking, by watching each other's ways of living. I want to tell the mosses' story, since their voices are little heard, and we have much to learn from them. They have messages of consequence that need to be heard, the perspectives of species other than our own. The scientist within me wants to know about the life of mosses, and science offers one powerful way to tell their story. But it's not enough. The story is also about relationship. We've spent a long time knowing each other, mosses and I. In telling their story, I've come to see the world through moss-colored glasses. In indigenous ways of knowing, we say that a thing cannot be understood until it is known by all four aspects of our being: mind, body, emotion, and spirit. The scientific way of knowing relies only on empirical information from the world, gathered by body and interpreted by mind. In order to tell the mosses' story, I need both approaches, objective and subjective. These essays intentionally give voice to both ways of knowing, letting matter and spirit walk companionably side by side, and sometimes even dance.